Lisa, how's it going?
It's going.
It's going.
It's going awesome.
All right, you're wearing a funky little outfit there. It looks like you're going to be jumping out of a plane today.
I am. I'm
What?
jumping out of a plane.
Is there a special occasion you're here for? Or?
I've always wanted to jump out of a plane, and I'm doing it today, so.
Why today? Just randomly
Well,
decided, or?
Because of my humanities class, and semester is over next week, so I kind of have to get it done.
I see. So this is something you have to do.
Yeah.
But you've also wanted to do it, so.
Yeah.
All right. Well, how you feeling? You nervous?
A tiny bit, but I am ready. Let's do this.
You're ready to go.
I'm ready.
All right. Well, that being said, in a minute we'll get in the plane.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'll change my mind.
Yeah, you can't change your mind then. That's the thing. Once you're on the plane, there's no turning back, no refunds, no anything.
Okay.
If you yell no, it just sounds like go, so we just go anyway.
Yeah.
There's no turning back. So
Cool.
we'll see you in the plane, scared or not. We'll be there in about 2 minutes.
Yay.
All right, we're about halfway there. How you feeling?
Good.
Good?
I'm ready.
You good to go?
We're good.
You're not scared yet?
Not yet.
How about you, Cliff? Oh, whoa, Cliff.
That's fine.
All right, well, anyway, we'll be outside in a minute. See you there. All right.
Yeah, I did. For sure. Yeah. Well, you weren't directly in front of us. That's always a bonus.
All right. Tell me what you thought of that. Awesome.
Yeah, let's do it again.
All right. She's already ready to go again.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Looks like you had fun up there. Thanks for coming out.